What's up, guys? Here with B-Hall.
It's a new day.
We are in. We're officially back in Connecticut. Yesterday was one long ass day of traveling. Oh my god. B slept the whole time, so he can't talk. But sheesh, 6'4" plus airplanes, not fun. But today is sick because it's been like 3 days, and we have a bunch of packages at UPS that we have to go pick up. They actually called me because they were concerned this morning. They're like, you know, you have a lot of packages, and you're usually pretty good about this stuff. Just checking in. I was like,
they thought Jimmy was like in the hospital.
Yeah, so appreciate you guys. So let's go see what came in. Come on, be pumped. You're so pumped. We're so burnt out. But guys, go check out the Hyundai video. It was sick. What an awesome experience.
If you didn't see the video from this morning, which is yesterday for you, go watch it. God.
It said I had a lot of packages, but this is a whole understatement.
Do we have enough room in this little hatchback here?
Do it. Why are these so heavy? So it looks like we have a big order from Injuku, and I think it's my alternator for my JC. And we have some sun mail in here, which is pretty cool. Love hatchbacks. Sheesh. We've been doing a lot of unboxing lately, and if you guys aren't really into that stuff, I'll put the time code right here that you can skip to basically just skip to all the unboxing stuff and see what we got. So this stuff right here is probably some mail. We'll start with that.
What do we got here, boys?
Is that hair? What is
it? Is a skinny pelts, no stuffing, squeaky plush dog, toy, fox, raccoon, and squirrel large. What? Oh, this is a multi-pack.
Oh my god. Dude,
and it is from Hope to see you all y'all down at H2O this year and get some shots with y'all and the cars. Where's the name? I don't know. I don't see a name.
For whoever
Thank you
this is,
to whoever this is.
Comment below. Let us know who it is because, dude, Ducker's gonna go crazy.
We got flavors. Say thank you. The luckiest dog in the world.
Okay, I like the side of this.
Oh man, if that is what that is, it is.
Yeah, dude.
That's exciting.
Funny thing, we needed a device for 2 years, probably since we got in here, like a year and a half ago. We got one from our buddy Garrett about a month ago, and now we have one for the back too, so we're good to go.
That's awesome.
One for both workbenches.
You got a note? We got a note. A gift. Hey, Jamie, thought this would be something useful that you guys could use in the shop. Watching your videos keeps me inspired to keep working on my D21 Civic and to get my Outback back on the road. Keep up the great vids. Instagram, The Musement.
I see you. Well, thank you, bud.
Thank you very much.
Really appreciate it.
That is an amazing gift.
Tools are always the best.
Oh my gosh, I love tools. I just love tools. I love it. Electric turbo.
Sick. No, I think freshy, brand new alternator.
It's gonna go great. Yeah.
The factory pulley is like a nice pulley. Looks like a
No,
nice
honestly,
pulley.
this is gonna be a beautiful piece.
With the alternator is the last piece of the accessories. We can put that on, put a belt on, and we're ready to party. It's pretty cool. Whole bunch of shiny. So yeah. This is my new catback for my S13 for the JZ spot.
Sick.
So last year I had an HKS style one, and it was cool. It sounded good. It was just really, it was a really bulky exhaust, and they're not really hung too.
It's on DJ Streetcar now.
Yeah, they're not hung too efficiently. They are older style, and so the ISR one sits a little tighter. They use skinny resonator because I need to have a resonator because I like quieted cars. And nice, ready to go. So these things are super affordable and they work great, so I can't wait to get on the car. And then the last piece we need is our downpipe to connect this, which is still in back order, but once we get that in, full exhaust.
Nice.
God, what's happening? Oh, hey, Donald, what's up?
Hello, Joey.
What is happening?
Don, what are you doing?
Don, what mess did you bring us?
Dude, it's a big day.
So Don's Evo hasn't ran in 2 years, and he didn't do anything about it. So now it's my problem. Don was on the highway one day, and the car randomly shut off, and he parked at his house and never looked at it. And 2 years later, I guess it's time to fix it, and you brought it down here. So, you ready to fix an Evo with me?
I guess.
I bet it's something so stupid, but I guess Don hasn't been too motivated.
We're gonna do all-wheel drive donuts in Don's car.
Yeah, that's gonna be the price for us doing this. So we gotta beat the crap out of it for at least a day. Okay. Did you ever see this before?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, Don, let her eat.
This thing looks like it's been sitting in a bee suit for 3 years.
I think it has been.
The Barn Fine Evo.
That's not bad. Oh man, dude. It's so weird seeing you here.
What year is this, Don?
Come on, Don, what car do you want?
Oh, I'm deciding, man, between two different cars.
Oh my god.
I walk into.
We're sticking this camera in multiple holes. Orifices. In multiple holes.
How the welds look in there?
Actually, really good.
That's what I'm saying right there, boy. I know where we could stick this.
Up your ass.
Well, you don't have to say it. Do you gag? So you guys will probably end up seeing us work on the Evo pretty soon, because could be anything, and we'll find out shortly. The car's been sitting for a long time, so it has gotten a little bit rusty.
I think that's an understatement.
But we'll get her right, get her back on the road, and Don can sell her and get something else.
Time to liquidate.
So yeah.
Go to B-Haul shop.
Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna do Volkswagen and Nissan things. Sick. The place is literally in someone's backyard. Brian needs to get rid of this thing. If someone wants a 750 that I guess kind of runs, DM Brian and come buy this thing, because it's just a paperweight. What's up, guy?
Watching my daily dose of Jimmy Oaks TV.
Hi guys, so we're at P Shop, of course, and as you guys know, we have the two projects going on to the Volkswagens. We have Bry's 1.8 Spot Mark II that we are waiting on some parts. We got the intercooler, so we'll show you guys that probably tomorrow. And then Josh's Corrado, which we got started for the first time finally in 6 years, and now it's time to tidy it up and hopefully get on the dyno very soon, and I'm excited to play with this thing. So the big thing now is something we've done quite a bit, but we're definitely changing things up, and that is a KAT S14. So you guys know we love our 240s, and we love our K24s, and we love boosting things that don't come boosted. And we've been going with the CX Racing kits a lot, and they've done us very, very well. And Josh got his S14, and he wanted to spice things up a bit, so we decided to go with something a little different, and that's the Enjuku ISR Turbo Kit. Of course, ISR is Enjuku's house brand, and we've been using their parts for quite a long time now, and for the price, they are killer, and we love them, and they came out with the turbo kit for the K, and we're excited to try it out and see how it compares to the CX kit, and just see how it works in general, and I know I'm not going to be disappointed. So we got everything here. We need the turbo's car besides a few little bits, and the intercooler, because that's still on back order for a couple weeks, just like everything for my car. So let's get these things open and show you guys what we got. Hey, such a pretty turbo, dude.
So nice. Rip it off.
Ooh. I think it's a turbo I have on the Black Z. It's like the GT2871R comparative.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it is. They label it like a GT35 something, but it's basically a Garrett GT2871R.
Yeah.
But they're just not ball bearing. That's the only difference. Everything you see here is what comes in the ISR tool kit for the KA. And only thing that we're missing is the intercooler, because like I said, it's on back order. So this comes with just about everything the CX kit comes with, besides doesn't come with a blow-off valve, and it doesn't come with a oil. It doesn't come with oil lines. I don't know why it doesn't come with the oil lines, but it's whatever. They give you option for blow-off valve. Okay, so Josh can run no blow-off.
Gotta call him. I didn't want blow-off valve. I'm going for the Surge.
I'm cool with that, and it doesn't come with oil lines, which kind of threw me off, but that's cool. You can order kits online for that are cheap, so here we go. When it comes to turboing any vehicle, I think the most annoying part, honestly, is the oil drain, because you have to figure out how to get oil back into the oil pan. And usually to do that, we have to weld a bung to the oil pan itself, which means we have to drop the oil pan, which is usually a pretty big job. So as you guys can tell, we have the engine floating right here with a 2x4. Definitely the safest way to do it. And we're gonna put the turbo kit together. We're gonna put the turbo on the manifold, place on the engine, and see how the drain is located, and then find a point on the pan that we feel is a good point to then weld the bump. Always use studs when you can, just because they are stronger, and in our case, make life a lot easier. Show me that technique again.
Oh, that's some good technique you got there, B.
There we go. Ah, nice snug fit. So now we need to mock up the drain line. So it doesn't come with the drain stuff at all, but Josh was able to piece stuff together offline. He got basically it's a T20 generic oil drain, and then he pieced together a bunch of AN lines and some line. And you could order cheap kits online. Like this is an eBay kit I had laying around. It was like 25 bucks, and it'll probably get you by. So, and we got the nice pretty AN fittings. If I could figure out how to screw this damn thing on. There we go. Let's mock it up. So the engine hang strap, whatever you guys want to call it, that's actually in the way, so we can't put it in, but we could do some measurement and make sure this all is all gonna fit. So we know it's right above the second outlet, or third, I guess you can call it, and hangs about 9 inches lower than the hole itself. So right now we have a 45 off the turbo, and it just makes it too long because you can see it right here, it's a 45. Right. So, and the motor mount is actually sitting right here, so we're gonna have to put a 45 on this. So I'm thinking we just put the drain as far forward in the pan as possible, because then we have room to bend the thicker oil drain line. Sound good?
Yeah.
No. Oh! Nice. Beautiful. Now spend the next 30 minutes getting all this RTV off. Gorgeous. Now take care of the rest of this bullshit. It's time to weld on our AN bung to the oil pan, and Josh got a nice vibrant one. It's just a dash. That's a dash 10, right? Dash 10. Dash 10. So this thing's stainless, ready to go, and we just have to drill a hole, basically this size, and weld it in. Now when you're picking a spot to drill your oil drain, you just gotta make sure there's no like baffling or the pickup's not in the way, and it's not too low, because if it's too low, oil will want to sit in the line. So if you can see, there's baffling there, so we're gonna try and go above it and put it like basically right up here, very close to the edge of the oil pan. When in doubt, ream around. That's right, boys. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Your ream skills are pretty impressive.
You know, it just takes practice, boys.
And here comes the. Oh, what are you doing?
What are you doing is the real question.
What? Josh, did you pick this color?
No, I did. I do what I want.
What? Blue? That's a cool color though. What color is that?
I don't know. I found it in a box.
It looks good, but it really should be black.
Yeah, well, I do what I want. So it's this color instead.
Don't need to be black.
Don't need to be black, but it should be black.
Nah.
Because it's gonna get all chipped up and look weird. Damn, this actually looks pretty damn good for a spray can.
Yeah, dude, I finessed the paint store. They had a bunch of mixed match colors that people returned, and I said, I'll buy your whole inventory if you sell them to me for $1 each.
Yo, can you get my helmet that color?
Yeah, I can do whatever I want.
All right, this thing needs to dry faster. It's already getting late. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on, dry faster, Josh. Look what I found, motherfucker.
Sick.
Sick.
Hey, found the Mark II front end. Well, the grill and lights and stuff. Big moves. This is gonna be our Volkswagen mod of the day, because that's all we got. Looks like we have a predicament. Brian's little custom intercooler mount gets in the way of the whole center mount piece, which looks like I'm gonna have to modify to work, which is cool. So we're just gonna cut it, bend it, put it somewhere else. But for now, oh, you came over here quick with that thing. And just like that, it now fits.
I didn't need that.
Ooh, just good. Still wish it was black though.
It's different.
And Brian found the cover too. We just need the little box.
The one in there, I think I took, there's a bracket off of there missing, so I don't know about that.
Looks good.
I found it.
Hey, nice. So what style front end is this called?
This is an Aero front end.
I really like this front end. Pretty cool.
Thanks.
Big moves tonight in Mark II.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, the fruity little pan is on, and now it's gonna get the subframe back up, engine back on the subframe, and we can start getting everything else back.
Everyone knows that looks sick.
Plus, my whole thing, the whole reason I picked this color was because we're not going to keep the outside that color. So it'll be an homage.
Is it the word?
Look it up.
Or later, a bunch of swears later, the subframe's officially in. So now we gotta do the motor mounts, sway bar, and
Final torquing of the oil pan.
and then we're good to go. The sway bar, she's looking pretty good. Pretty hyped. Hell yeah, we got the engine down the subframe ready to go, and now the stupid ratchet strap is out of the way, and we can test fit the turbo and see how it looks in this stank ass engine bay. The out cover looks nice, but the other side's not too bad. This side, stank. Nice.
Easy.
Wow, the bottom out looks really clean.
Easy.
That looks really clean.
Yes, it does.
Dude, like K's look like they belong with turbos on them, don't they?
Oh, we're totally going right in between the motor mount and the power steering rack and just coming around the power steering rack.
60 on there.
Let's put the 90 on it and see how it fits. Well, luckily, I brought a 90 today with me, and if you could, probably you can't see it all.
There's a light somewhere.
On my phone. You guys can see the red piece coming off the bottom of the turbo. That is a 90 I brought, so luckily, and then we used Josh's 45 in the oil pan, and it looks pretty good. So we're just gonna go around the engine mount, and oil drain is done.
Done. What are you doing?
Dude, putting together like AN fittings can be so satisfying, but it's also like kind of a pain in the ass. You could always get the AN to barb and just do like a regular line, I guess, but it's pretty cool. And then the eBay fitting. Nice. Here is our new line going off the turb skis like this. That's how it looks. Not bad. All right, so the oil line's complete, and as you can see, the turbo's in, and this looks really nice. The top mount's cool and everything, and they look cool, but in this situation, we have way more room to work with the bottom mount, and I think it looks great still. So can't beat it. Really excited with the kit. The quality is all there, and now we just need a bunch of little stuff. Josh needs to run to the parts store tomorrow, get some studs for his head for the manifold, studs for the downpipe, and then we gotta start mocking up the intercooler piping, and we have to take off the intake. That's gonna be the big task, is the intake, because then we can get the sandwich plate on, get the oil feed line to the turbo, and clean up all the vacuum lines that we deleted on the intake side, since it does come with a lot of emissions bullshit. So, how you feeling about that?
I want to delete stuff.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna get rid of all this junk. It's a pain in the ass, but we're gonna get there. We have to drain the coolant, and then we have injectors and fuel pump, and we're ordering the ECU tomorrow, and we should be good to go. So hoping this to be like a quick side project that we bang out really quick. Josh is signed up to drift on March 16th, which is unreal, so he's gonna beat us to the track. And I should be getting the intercooler for the Mark II tomorrow, which would be sick, and get some more progress done on that. And then you guys know the business. So I think we're gonna end it. That sound good?
Sounds good.
I hope you guys liked today's video, and you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And Josh?
You guys have a great night.
I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know why, hey, I know why, hey, yeah. I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and